Inkundla yezemidlalo iMbombela idluliselwe ngokusemthethweni eqenjini i-ANC njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi kube nomgubho omkhulukazi waleli qembu kusasa. Iphini lokuqala kanobhala jikelele waleli qembu lithe kulindeleke izinkumbi zabantu kulo mgubho kusasa.
We've got over 800 buses coming here. We've got over 1,000 taxis just in Mpumalanga, besides the walk-ins from the 7 wards that surround this stadium. Gauteng is sending 100 buses. Limpopo is sending 100 buses. Northwest is bringing 54 buses. Over and above that, there are individuals that are also coming.
Leli qembu lithi libhekane nezingqinamba zokungakwazi ukuvumela wonke amalungu ukuba abe yingxenye yalomgubho.
The challenges is that we are oversubscribed. Everybody wants to be here, from the Northern Cape to Western Cape. The other challenges that we were also dealing with is that from friends and allies and strategic partners of the ANC who are going to be gathering now this evening at the gala dinner were also oversubscribed.
Kusihlwa leli qembu lizosingatha umcimbi wesidlo sakusihlwa igala dinner ukuqoqa imali.